Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out a powerful 48V105 mini lithium golf cart battery, a complete LiFePO4 upgrade kit designed to replace bulky lead-acid batteries with modern, maintenance-free power. If you want instant torque, longer range, and smart monitoring, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features a 51.2V LiFePO4 battery with 105 Ah capacity, delivering 5.37 kWh of usable energy and 10.24 kW maximum output power. The built-in 200A BMS handles continuous discharge at 200A, with peak currents reaching 400A for 35 seconds and 600A for 3 seconds, enough for steep hills and quick acceleration. Range extends up to 50 miles on a single charge. And cycle life exceeds 4,000 cycles, lasting 5 to 10 times longer than lead-acid. The included 20A smart charger fully recharges the battery in approximately 5 to 6 hours. Monitoring options include both a 2.8-inch touchscreen LCD and Bluetooth mobile app, providing real-time data on voltage, current, temperature, and state of charge. The battery weighs only 80 to 95 pounds compared to 400 pounds for lead-acid, dramatically improving speed and handling. Dimensions are roughly 20.5 by 10.6 by 8.7 inches, with IP65 waterproof rating. It's compatible with major golf cart brands including Club Car, EZGO, and Yamaha. Real-world users praise the massive performance improvement, with one reviewer calling their cart a rocket ship on rails after installation. Another noted going from 19 miles per hour to 30 miles per hour after upgrading their controller. Users report getting through 4 full rounds before needing a recharge. Some note installation may require minor modifications like bypassing the OBC on older club cars or adjusting battery compartment plastic. A few mention the app download link can be in Chinese, but the interface works fine. Customer support experiences vary between brands, link is in description. Thank you.